AI agents are generating buzz across the tech world. But there's a critical challenge holding them back: securely connecting to the tools enterprises rely on every day. Think about it. How can an AI agent safely access systems like Active Directory, execute PowerShell commands, query databases, or work with APIs across a business? This is where MCP answers the call. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Designed to bridge the gap between AI agents and the real world, MCP offers a secure and standardized way for agents to communicate with key enterprise tools. Some call MCP the USB standard for AI agents. Why? Because it brings effortless, reliable integration, just like plugging in a device and knowing it will work. In the rapidly evolving landscape of AI, MCP could become the foundational link between intelligence and action. The future of AI agent connectivity is being written now. And with Model Context Protocol, that future looks secure, connected, and limitless. Imagine asking an AI to find all inactive users in your organization's Active Directory. Right now, AI tools like ChatGPT can't actually do this. They're isolated, without direct access to your IT environment. But with the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, that changes. Now, the AI securely connects to an MCP server, which integrates directly with Active Directory. When you make a request, the MCP server runs the necessary queries. Maybe a PowerShell script, pulling real-time data like user accounts, last logon times, disabled users, and group memberships. The results are sent back to the AI, which explains everything in clear, human language. This is more than convenience, it's transformation. AI is no longer on the sidelines. It's now hands-on, interacting with real enterprise infrastructure and adapting to the unique needs of your business. Let's go deeper. With MCP, the AI doesn't just hand back raw data. It understands each tool, what it does, the inputs it needs, and the outputs you expect. This makes AI agents dynamic and exceptionally powerful, far beyond the static assistants we know today. Think what's possible. An enterprise AI assistant could reset passwords, unlock accounts, query DNS records, check Entra ID synchronization, execute PowerShell scripts, read documentation, and generate compliance reports seamlessly from a single conversational interface. That's the future we're stepping into. But here's an important distinction. MCP doesn't replace existing APIs. It sits above them. Think of your enterprise APIs as devices and MCP as the universal USB connector, standardizing how AI interacts with everything securely and at scale. To sum it up, MCP is the Model Context Protocol, a standard way for AI agents to connect with, understand, and operate enterprise tools and systems. Secure communication, tool discovery, structured access, and scalable automation all under one roof. When AI is paired with MCP, it grows from simply answering questions to working alongside you, directly impacting Active Directory, Entra ID, DNS, and the heartbeat of your organization. In our next chapter, we'll build an MCP-enabled AI agent together, step by step. Stay tuned and see how the next evolution of enterprise automation unfolds.